Welcome back. Today is all about Thai milk tea again. A lot of people have been asking me, how can you make Thai milk tea sugar-free or not sweet at all? Well, I'm going to show you two ways to do that, especially if you're like me. I hardly have Thai milk tea with sweetened condensed milk or sugar. How can you make it as rich, creamy, and also flavorful? So stick around until the end of this video clip, but in the meantime, click that subscribe button. For this video clip, I am going to use a brewed tea using batch brewing method, and I am going to use the popular Thai tea brand Chao. You can use my brand as well if you have it. And we are going to use, for the milk, instead of sweetened condensed milk, we are going to use only evaporated milk into one of them. And for those that are really wanting to have something different using a plant-based milk, I'm going to use oat milk. So two different recipes, two different types of milk for the same drink, which is Thai milk tea. We're going to make them in large cup, 22 ounces. To batch brew Thai tea, I'm going to use a proportion which is 1 liter of hot water to 6 scoops of Thai tea. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar into your jug. Pour 1 liter of hot water. Add your 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can use white or brown. And then into the tea sock strainer, add the 6 scoops of Thai tea. Soak for at least 15 minutes. The batch can be kept for at least 7 days. For the first cup, I'm going to use evaporated milk. So I need 200 ml of my brewed Thai tea. And for the milk, I am going to use 75 because milk somehow adds some sweetness into the drink. So 60 plus 15. And this is how I'm changing the recipe to make it just plain evaporated milk. Okay, so that is ready. Cup full of ice. And now to pour your Thai tea mix. And to make it more premium, I'm going to add my milk foam. You can see how creamy this is, and this is now my Thai milk tea. Just Thai tea and evaporated milk. Let's make the second one, but this time we are going to use oat milk. Same amount of Thai tea, 200 ml. And I'm going to use the same amount of oat milk this time. Just using oat side here, it's not a paid promotion. So here, 60 and 15, 75 ml of the milk. And you've got a really dark color here. Oat milk gives that bright color. Even in matcha or coffee, oat milk simply works best. Pour ice into our serving cup. If you have this custom-made scoop, ice scoop, which is specially for 22 ounces cup, and you should get it full. You don't have to measure the ice because this is pre-measured. And now to pour the Thai milk tea into serving cup. Thai milk tea, oat milk. The color is a little bit funny, but let's find out how it tastes like. Okay, I'm going to try with the oat milk. This is quite popular for us. We get regular orders for oat milk Thai milk tea. In fact, we've added as well pumpkin spice Thai milk tea, which is adding more spices into already quite spicy Thai tea. Somehow the mixture of the Thai tea with oat milk just made it a little bit more earthy. That's even possible. But aside from the color, I would say that this is a very good alternative for having a dairy Thai milk tea. And then you have evaporated milk Thai milk tea, which is how I normally take mine. And this is as good. Just one thing to note here, if you look at both of them, I mean, this is a little bit odd color for me. It's a little bit too dark. This is the typical one that you would find in most shops. But for some reason, the oat milk tasted sweeter than the evaporated milk. But for sure, evaporated milk makes the drink rich and I guess guilt-free. Now, to be honest, I would say that a regular Thai milk tea is non-dairy, because if you are using sweetened condensed milk, it's more likely to be non-dairy, and if you're using an evaporated milk, it's also more likely to be non-dairy. But only if you are looking at alternative milk like oat milk, almond milk, or even soy milk, I would say that this is a very good option. You might wish to give it a try. Well, there you go. 2 different ways of making your Thai milk tea and how you can adjust the milk that you will use for the drink if you are going this way. If you have any questions at all, do let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what else you would like for me to share with you on this channel. I'll see you again next time. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.